2V0-51.21 Professional VMware Horizon 8. X is an important VMware exam, which validates an individual can install, configure, manage, maintain, and perform basic troubleshooting of VMware Horizon and related solutions, as well as properly identify and differentiate any needed supporting products and components. We have the latest 2V0-51.21 test questions online for giving you the great learning materials now. If you're a busy individual in search of something to aid in making sure you are professional VMware Horizon 8 X test readiness without having to take any classes, you're at the right place. It is likely that the 2V0-51.21 test questions are to be yours. Here we also have the free 2V0-51.21 demos to check the details. Question 1. Which Horizon feature provides high availability desktops across data centers? A. Cloud pod architecture. B. vCenter linked mode. C. Instant clones. D. Replica connection servers. Answer. A. Question 2. End users are complaining that they are frequently being asked for credentials when opening additional apps. Which step should the administrator take to resolve the issue? A. Configure SSO timeout by modifying the global settings in Horizon Administrator. B. Configure session timeout by modifying the client settings in Horizon Client. C. Configure a time limit by modifying the Horizon GPO. D. Configure desktop timeout by modifying the pool settings in Horizon Administrator. Answer. A. Question 3. What are 3 valid options to store Horizon events? Choose 3. A. Flat files. B. MS SQL. C. D82. D. MySQL. E. Syslog. Answer. Abe. Question 4. An administrator has been tasked with disabling USB redirection for all finance users in the virtual desktop environment. Which of the following options would meet the requirement? A. Create a new golden image. Deselect USB redirection at the Horizon Agent installation, and push the new image to all desktop pools. B. Open the Horizon console and Global policies set the USB access policy to disabled. C. Open the Horizon console and in desktop settings set the USB access policy to disabled for all finance users. D. Create a Horizon Smart policy, disable USB redirection, and set a condition matching all finance users. Answer. D. Question 5. An end user complains that their logon time has increased dramatically. An administrator opened the VMware logon folder to troubleshoot the issue, but it does not contain log files for the reported session. What could be the cause of this issue? A. The timing profile is disabled on the connection server. B. The Horizon event database is not configured. C. The VMware Horizon Logon Monitor service is not started. D. The Windows Event Viewer is disabled. Answer. C. Question 6. Which of the following statements are true about Application Profiler? A. VMware Dynamic Environment Manager agent and the Application Profiler cannot be installed on the same machine. B. Application Profiler is installed using VMware Dynamic Environment Manager Enterprise Setup Wizard and explicitly selecting local drive installation. C. Application Profiler is installed automatically when installing VMware Dynamic Environment Manager Flex Engine. D. Application Profiler is installed automatically when installing Dynamic Environment Manager Management Console. Answer: A. Question 7. A Horizon administrator wants to implement Dynamic Environment Manager so that application configuration data is injected when the application is started. Which option would provide this feature? A. Direct Flex. B. Application Migration. C. Group Policies. D. Triggered Tasks. Answer: A. Question 8. Users need to be able to log into Workspace ONE Access and connect to remote desktops and applications without having to provide Active Directory credentials. Which Horizon component needs to be deployed to allow this functionality? A. Enrollment Server. B. vCenter Server. C. Security Server. D. Replica Server. Answer: A. Question 9. Which 3 can be used by a Horizon administrator who wants to provision an application to users' desktops? Choose 3. A. VMware App Volumes Application Package. B. VMware Horizon Published Application. C. VMware ThinApp. D. VMware Dynamic Environment Manager. E. VMware App Volumes Writable Volume. Answer: A, B, C. Question 10. Which 3 options are required to use an instant clone pool? Choose 3. A. VMware vSphere. B. Horizon Intelligence. C. Horizon Composer. D. Horizon Connection Server. E. Horizon Agent. F. High-speed Internet access. Answer: 8.